Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Lena. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 methods on how to start your box braid. And for this first method, you get your braiding hair divided into two. Use one half to hold your natural hair, and then the other one, you create a loop around the natural hair and the braiding hair, just like the way I'm doing it in this video. And then you take the ends of the braiding hair and pass it through that loop and tighten it just like the way I'm doing it. And then you start braiding just like that. All I'm doing is doing my traditional braiding just like the way I'm doing it. Just keep braiding and braiding and braiding. And for those who don't know how to braid like natural hair, I'll be uploading a video soon on tutorial on how to braid without braiding hair. And then for this second method, what I'm doing is splitting my braiding hair into two and doing like a, is it crisscross or something? Just like this. And you hold one end with your natural hair, just like how I'm doing it, and you wrap around the your natural hair with the other half of the braiding hair with your braiding hair. I don't know if you understand it, but just like the way I'm doing it in the video, and then you divide the braiding hair and the natural hair into two, and then you start braiding. Well, looking at the video is easy to grab it. I really don't know how to explain. Just watch the video, you'll understand. And all I'm doing is I'm just keep braiding. I'm just braiding to my desired length. Just like this. If you want to get a mannequin that you can practice on, I'll be leaving it I'll be leaving a link below this video. Like, it will be somewhere in the description box, so you can get yours. And what I'm using, you can get yours to learn or to practice. And then for this third method, I'm just going to braid my natural hair. Like I said, if you don't know how to braid your natural hair, I'll be bringing out a video soon showing you detailed tutorial on how to braid your natural hair. So what I'm doing now is I'm passing um half of the braiding hair underneath the braid from the side. If you don't have what I'm using, you can use your crochet pin to do this. And then I'm passing the other half of the braiding hair from top to bottom. And then just like that, you just start braiding. For this method, if you don't want to start your natural hair, you don't want to braid your natural hair, you can also do the rubber band method. But I know most people, they don't really like the rubber band method, as it tends to like cut their hair, or it causes hair breakage. So you can use this method. If you've come this far in watching this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe, and also let me know in the comment section on what method you'll be trying. Share this video because you never know who might need it. And remain blessed.